Okay, dah, go.
Okay, Assalamualaikum and good evening. We are from Group 4, and this is our group member, which is myself, Ahmad Ashraf, and Faris Hamzah, then Danish Daniel, and Muhammad Aiman. Okay, so today we are going to present or explain our manufacturing plan for the parts that we are going to do for group project. Okay, so basically, we are going to manufacture 3 parts, but today we only focusing on one part, which is front shaft. Okay.
Okay. This is the part that we be download from the Dropbox file. We will explain how we create it from the sketch. Okay, we're starting with 10 mm and the height is 162, right guys? And after that, another cylinder.
Danish, I think there's a mistake. The height should be 142, if I was not mistaken, for the 10 mm diameter.
Oh, great. Okay. So, cylinder. Ten mm. 142, eh?
For 10 mm, 142.
And then another 162, right, guys?
Actually, we need to draw 2 cylinder, right?
Yes, 2 cylinder. Why the 8 mm, right guys? 162. Okay, after that, we should move the big or small, guys?
Never mind. Both also can.
Also can. So we move this, okay? Point to point, right?
Yes, point to point, choose the...
And then move type, translate.
Uh,
Direction.
Komponen ke?
Try design XYZ first. Try design XYZ.
Okay, try design first. Yes. Yes, this
Okay.
is the answer. This is the
Okay.
answer.
10
Yes.
mm. Then okay. Alright.
This is how we achieve the shape when we sketch using Fusion 3.
Okay.
Yes, on front shot. Okay, next we will show you how we simulate it. How we simulate it. Okay, first you go to the manufacturer. Okay, after that go to setup, new setup, and after that the first thing that we must see is the stock. You can see the stock. Oh man, what's happened? Why it's like this?
Oh,
Danish, click on the mode.
On the what?
On mode, and choose the fixed size cylinder.
Yes,
That's
yes, yes,
correct.
yes, yes.
yeah.
Okay, so we must first and foremost we must check if our product must be on the model length 162 and our barang mentah is 170, right? Okay, this is the first thing we must check before we do the simulation. Okay, and then go to the setup and we must see. Oh, milling, extending. Yes, like this. Okay, and then I'll go to Farid Hamzah. Let's Faris check this.
Alright. Next, what we're gonna do is to create a setup. I mean like this, but first we must determine the z-axis on the rotary axis, which is the yes right there, just like what Danish do in the video just now. And then we're going to the stock and we check the stock diameter, length, position, and route to the nearest has been edited to our preference. And then move to the post process. And yeah, just like that. And then click the button OK. And then for the next part, I will pass it to Aiman regarding the turning of the machine.
Okay, after that we need to choose the type of turning. First of all, we need to turning the face first, and then we need to select the tool. Based on the tool on the right, we need to
Turning
turning and
general eh?
pick
Turning.
the turning general. Yes, turning
Okay.
general. And then we use millimeter, and then we choose the type of turning tools, which is for our group we take 0.2 mm. Okay. Okay, after that we select the tool and then we press OK. And then for the next turning is we turning profile logging.
Thing eh?
Okay, and then we
Okay
select
kan?
the tool.
Kita pakai tool biasa kan?
Oh, okay. And then we can proceed to the OK. Okay, after that for the
Grooving kan?
groove, next step is we select the turning groove and then we need to select the specific tool, which is turning grooving. And then the unit in millimeters, and then we need to choose the type of turning tools, which is
Yang tengah ni kan?
yes, 30
Sebab
mm.
yang atas 0.8 kan? Yang
0,
ni
0.8 is is too bigger for our project. And then we select the OK.
mantap
And then
weh.
after
Okay.
that we
Finishing.
do the
Finishing kan?
finish
Betul tak?
finishing nak
Finishing dah sekali
teruskan.
kan?
Then we need to do the finishing, and then we select the OK also.
Okay.
And then after that
Last
we
time.
select the action, and then we simulate with machine.
Before simulation machine, I think we should zoom out to see the machine.
Zoom out, so we can see how it works. All right, and then
1 and 2.
zoom out. Right,
You see like this.
that's how it works.
Whoa! Oh.
Alright, for further explanation why our simulation just like that, because we are using conventional turning, which is a lathe machine, conventional, and the model will be turned on the primary spindle, and the model will rotate in the speed that we want, which is roughly about 1000 RPM, just like something like that. And then what will happen is the tools that will move slowly and touch the model, and it will help us create the model
edge.
that we want. Yeah.
I think it's all that we show that we used to create this product, the front shaft. I think only this. It's all from us. Thank you.
Thank
Thank you
you.
very much.
Thank you
you.
very much.